citizens, please come down to the quadrangle. This is starting the function in 5 minutes.
I did it. That's what you need.
Antioxidants,
Otherwise, some of us here will start feeling.
Maybe it's a part of the study they published. But it's good.
Second half is yet to come. Sometimes it's own water. We don't have a lot of things. A lot of things, yes, but no, after don't drink it.
What is important? Beer is important or the girl is important?
fast. And he swears by industrial quantities of beer both before and after the match.
That is the way you have to be. Below that. Where is that? Yeah, if this is turning the page.
I got a Modi elected.
Modi elected.
Went for that. I mean, what's on this? I couldn't get and he builds machines too.
Hi Raji, photo lama konjam edunga. Idoda high quality picture hoga.
Video da edukuren. Na video da
We should go to the back at least.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. Nice to see you all cheery and bright. On behalf of the PMC, I'd like to welcome all of you for the 1967 Independence Day of our nation and also the third Independence Day flag hoisting ceremony of Ranka Heights. As some of you know, and some of you don't know, we have a tradition of the flag hoisting being done by elder statesmen of the premises who are elder just in age but younger than most of us in their spirit. We've had distinguished people in the previous years hoisting the flag for us. And continuing in that tradition this year, I'd like to invite Mrs. Kalpa Gopal.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, Mrs. Kalpa Gopal has kindly consented to be our chief guest for today and hoist the flag on this occasion. So, without much further ado, I'd like to invite Mrs. Kalpa to come and start the flag hoisting after this.
So, support க்கு சப்போர்ட்டுக்கான நீங்க போங்கன்னு ப்ராப்ளம் யாருக்கு
Thank you very much, Kalpanti, and let me now request you to say a few words on the occasion.
Good morning. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Very happy Independence Day. This is our 66th year of independence. I think many of us are not even born when we had this freedom struggle and got the independence. So I don't know whether we know what it is to have this kind of independence that we have got. So we have not seen the struggle. Our parents have seen it. But our parents are given the education. And that is why we are here in Ranka Heights, enjoying this freedom and this beautiful atmosphere and ambience. But the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who got us this independence, he had a certain wonderful values. They are simplicity. He understood the poor people, poor of the poor in the village, and he wanted to represent them. So he led a very simple life of equality, dignity of labor, purity, sincerity, and above all, he wanted equality for everybody and truth and sacrifice. How much are we following this in our country or the world is a big question. After 66 years of independence, where are we now? Where is our country? Have we got equality for all? I think we all know it is not there. We have independence or freedom only in pockets like Ranka Heights. Many of our villages have no water, no electricity, there are no roads, there are no schools for children. It is a very, very sad state. So I feel as educated lot, all of us who are enjoying this freedom and privilege of being in such a serene and beautiful atmosphere, have to contribute, come forward and contribute to achieve this to our country. If we talk of leadership, we know we don't have the dedicated leadership anymore. The country or the whole world is full of corruption and self-interest. But one thing positive is, in Ranka Heights, the past MCs and the present ones are working so nicely. They have made this place look so wonderful and beautiful. So there is hope, there is leadership, and we thank the MCs, all of them who have made this possible for us. Let us give them a very big hand. But how there is lot to be done, this work has to continue. But can we integrate ourselves to the society at large and to the country at a cause? I think that should be the motive of Ranka Heights residents, because this is a very educated lot and I feel we should work towards it. You know there is global warming, there is too much of population, too much of consumption. So can we work towards reducing our greed, our consumption, recycling, reusing, sharing, and saving all the natural resources? I think it should start at Ranka Heights. We have to work towards making this place an ideal place with all our leadership and the participation of young and old. Let us work at inclusion. Inclusion is the word and inclusion has to be there. Otherwise, this world cannot survive. And one more word for the women in Ranka Heights. They are all so qualified, doing extremely well, and we hardly know each other. We are not coming forward to meet each other, to get to know each other. And why can't we work together and support the MCs and the children to achieve and arrive at a better goal in life? Finally, I would say, please let us work together, make this a better place to live. And also, I think Ranka Heights we are very lucky to be here. We are not aware of what is happening outside because we have everything. And we have a lot of people who are making it possible for us not to realize the shortage of water, electricity or security. So we have to include them, the staff who are supporting us, the maids who are living in the adjacent slums, and then our housekeeping staff, the ladies who work from morning to evening, the men who look after all the maintenance facilities. I think we have to integrate them into our society and we have to help them to lead a decent life. we give good education to their children, and also proper medical facilities, retirement benefits. I think we can make it possible if we work together. And then Ranka High should work along with other residential associations, the local associations, and we should make Domlo a model locality to live. I think that should be our goal, I feel. This is totally my opinion, and then you are welcome to support it. But I would emphasize, women of Ranka Heights, please come forward, play a better role. Thank you so much. Wish you all a wonderful year ahead.
Thank you very much, Kalpa Aunty. Those were very thought-provoking and inspiring words. And I'm sure all of us at Ranka Heights can take inspiration from what you just said and make sure that we not only involve ourselves in making our community a better place, but also in the task of nation building. Thank you very much. I now ask everyone to stand up, and all the younger members of Ranka Heights to come in front, and we'll sing the national anthem.
All of you stand there, stand there, stand there, stand there, stand there here in one line. Come here. All of you stand here, stand close by, then until we take the picture. Come on, all of you, boys. Stand here, Ishan, stand behind. Stand here, okay, in the line, everybody. Come on, Ishan.
நீங்க மட்டும் தான் டிமாண்ட் பண்றது சோ வாங்க
पूजा तो
Thank you very much, especially the Angalong. Continuing the patriotic mood that we set up now, we have a guest of one of our institutes at Ranka Heights, Manjari, who is visiting Kali's house. Manjari is an accomplished singer, and she requests her wish to make this occasion even more memorable by singing a patriotic song. So I invite Manjari to sing. And after this, the event that I'm sure all of you are aware of, we'll have the prize ceremony for the event that we had last year as part of the Ranka Fest. So please, hold on to your
शुभ दिन है जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो फिर अपनी लाश बिचारी। संगीन पे धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा कोई मद्रासी, कोई गुरखा कोई मद्रासी। सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला हर वीर था भारतवासी। जो खून गिरा सरहद पर वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ठीक खून से लथपथ काया फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गवा के। जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों। अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको इसलिए कही कहानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
That was absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, Manjari, for this so befitting the occasion that we have today. And I think the song has a special significance also because all of you are aware of the recent skirmishes that have happened in our borders. And I think it's so appropriate that that we remember the brave souls who continue to lay down their lives, to protect us and our borders. So I think in the spirit of the occasion, I think it would be appropriate for all of us just stand and have a 2-minute kind of silence to recognize the brave souls who recently laid down their lives as part of guarding our country. So I request you to just mourn their souls for 2 minutes. Thank you. Okay, now I invite Jayant to conduct the next part of the day's proceedings. As most of you know, and for those who are not there, we had a fantastic weekend last weekend where we had the RHAWA Cultural Sports Fest. There were a plethora of events. There was tremendous and enthusiastic participation from a lot of residents in Ranka Heights. And what we do now is announce the winners and give away the prizes for the different categories of events that were held last week. So I invite Jay to come and conduct the proceedings.
Thank you, Satish. May I request Kalpati to come over for giving some kind of prizes? Is better? Okay. We had 3 great days of fun. Friday, it was a long weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and tremendous participation from all around. And we as the organizing group really enjoyed organizing this event. Thank you for all your participation and enthusiasm. So let me start with just call out the prizes. I request the winners to come forward. In some of the cases we have given 3 prizes, some cases 2, some cases 1. It all depends on the level of participation, level of nominations we will receive. This year we introduced two new events which was taken very positively, a lot of participation. The first was tennis for men and second was the quiz competition. So we start with the prize for the men's tennis. The 2 prizes. The runner-up goes to Pawan. And the winner, Arunaksh. Arunaksh. Arunaksh is not here. Go on to the table tennis boys. 3rd prize to Dhruv. Second prize goes to Ash. Ash is here. And the winner for boys was Sajid Ram. Table tennis ladies, 3rd prize, Reshma. Second, Ishika. So it was a combined, you can see that ladies and girls got combined here. And the winner, Prachi. Men's table tennis. Men's table tennis. 3rd prize to Ravi.
Yes!
Second, K. Ram.
Ram is not here.
Sachin, can you collect? There he is. And the winner, Ram Prasad. Now we go on to badminton. Girls, 3rd prize, Ishika. Second to Gauri. Okay, I hope you can hear me because the mic stopped working. Okay. Boys category table tennis, third prize, Aditya Venkatesh.
Badminton there. Not table tennis.
Sorry, badminton, not table tennis, badminton. Second prize goes to Sachit Ram. And the winner for the badminton boys was Aditya Vamsi.
Vamsi, this is.
Aditya is not here. Ladies badminton, third prize, Anita. This is not Anita. Second prize goes to Aishwarya Venkatesh. And the winner of ladies badminton was Aishwarya Sriram. Okay. Coming to the men's event, third men's category is Archit. Now Arvi, you can come. Second, Arvi.
This has become a routine affair. Sriram is number 1, I am number 2. I think next time we will avoid this category altogether and just distribute the prizes. Look at that!
So the response from Karpandi was there will be some youngsters who will beat both of them.
Yes.
And of course the winner, Sri Ram Krishnamurthy. Girls doubles, we giving 2 prizes. The second prize was Ishika and Tanya. And the winner, Zara and Gauri. Boys doubles, again 2 categories. Second prize to Sachit and Shardul. Sachit and Shardul. And the winner of this event was the team of Arsh and Rohit. Rohit Ram. Mixed doubles in boys, girls, boys and I said boys and girls and ladies and gents all combined. Mixed doubles, the second prize to the team of Prachi and Sriram. For the 2 seats. And the winner, the team of Aishwarya Sriram and Aditya Venkatesh. Ladies doubles we are giving only to the winners. This was the team of Aishwarya and Aishwarya. Thank you, Kalpandi.
Aishwarya, a lot of vouchers collected, huh?
May I request Mr. Prasanna to give away a few prizes. The next category is Caroms Junior. 2 prizes. Second prize to Smriti Shankar. And the winner is Ashwin. Ashwin from 773. Seniors. Second prize, Sriram V. And the winner of the carom competition was our president, Satish. Swimming for girls, third prize, Radhika. Second to Ishika.
Current and past.
And the winner, Rachna Madhav. Swimming boys, can you believe we had a tie for the first prize? So the second prize goes to Ashwin. And the tie for the first prize between Atharva and Bharadwaj. The next is basketball shooting sub-junior category, Soumya. Girls junior, second prize is Samyukta. And the winner, Zara. The girls senior, second prize to Aishwarya. And the winner, Reshma. Let the applause. Boys, second prize, Akash. Akash. And the winner, Ash. Basketball ladies. Third position, Neil Gagan. Second to Viji. And the winner, from now onwards, actually the 6th block domination starts. Basketball. The winner, Suchitra. Men's basketball, clean sweep by 6th block. I am also 6th block. Third prize to Ravi.
6 block rules!
Second to Gopal. And the winner of this event was Karthik Brames. He's still sleeping.
Congrats, Prem. Congrats.
current situation of Lanka is one day down the river. Oh.
How are you?
May I request Harvey's dad to come over?
Mr.
Give
Rajagopal.
him prize.
Rajagopal.
Mr. Rajgopal.
Rajagopal.
Mr. Rajgopal, please.
Are we there? Sure, director level. Did you mention my name?
Now we go on to the event which generated a lot of fun here at this same place, the athletics events. Running race, third prize, Divya. Second prize to Gopu. One of the highlights of the event was little Ishan trying to get into the sack, which is bigger than him. And the winner for a fantastic race goes to Karan. Boys Junior, that's 6 to 10. Third prize to Nihal, followed by his brother, second prize Sajid Ram. And the winner, Shardul. Girls Junior, third prize, Tara. Second to Twisha. And the winner, Soumya. Girls Senior, third prize to Gauri. Second to Samyukta. And the winner, Zara. Lemon and spoon race, sub-junior. Second to Sagar. And the winner, Gopu. Boys Junior, lemon and spoon race, third prize to Girish. And the winner, Krishna.
Photo எடுங்க.
And Mr. Swaminathan and Ringy uncle who spent the whole night taking the questions, taking the entries, evaluating them. So I would like to take this question.
Well, it was Mr. Bringy who was spending the whole night coming. I had no though Mr. Bringy shared his ideas with me about the participants and their abilities in writing. I find that
the second prize goes to Aditya Vamsi. Are we has to come again? And the winner in the juniors category is Tanya Arora. Coming to the seniors category, the third prize goes to Sajid Ram. Second prize to Pooja Bam. Pooja is here? And the winner of the essay competition in the senior category is Arun Nair. However, we thought, because of the close competition, that we should have 2 additional prizes, 2 consolation prizes. In the junior category and in the senior category, it's the brother-sister combination, Kavya and Surya. Kavya and Surya Jayakumar, please come over. Surya was one of the few who wrote against banning. Well written, very well written. Okay, so we have 2 more, please speak. 2 more categories. And in the senior category, not awarding prizes, but it's a team performance. So before we give we have a trophy for them. But if the kids wants to say something before that, Arun? Sachit, Arun, any of you? They were thrashed. This time they did better. Want to say something?
Yeah, it was a good match. We had good fun. But we did better than last time. I felt our bowling was good, but the batting was quite weak. Owing to the fact that our lead batsman hit the ball over the clubhouse. It should be more than a 6, but of course they made the rules so they can allow. So we did much better than last time. So as the years progress, we are getting better. So eventually we will beat them. But after a few years, some of us big kids will become adults. So I don't know about that. But then the official reason for us losing is we had pity on them. Poor old men, they work hard every day. And, so they need a reason for some happiness. So we've just provided them with that. That's why we won. Thank you.
And now we have the presentation of the trophy. Captain Raja.
Typically here,
Thank you. And finally, the Ashna Madhav and family. And the winning team was my son and family. So Arun and Radhika, you can come and select the. That concludes the prize distribution. And I request, thank you, Mr. Swaminathan. Request Ravi to say a few words.
Hi everyone. I think it was an absolutely amazing event. The 3 days last weekend was terrific. I wanted to thank everybody out here. I wanted to thank the residents for participating so enthusiastically. And specifically, I'd like all of you to give a very big hand to all our kids. I mean, they have shown a tremendous amount of energy. The response was great. Just seeing them, I was very inspired. This is absolutely terrific. I would also like to thank all the folks in the MC, both past and present. They put in a lot of effort in making this happen. There were a lot of small little tasks that needed to be done. You would be surprised how many of those are there, including in a simple event like a prize distribution. So I'd like to thank the MC members. I'd like to thank Mr. Swaminathan for the essay competition, and also Mr. Bringi. He spent a lot of time in evaluating the essays. And a special mention to, of course, Shankar. The quiz was the highlight of the week, and the participation from families was incredible. And I think all of us enjoyed it. And of course, I don't think any of us should forget the amount of effort that our staff puts in out there, the maintenance staff, the housekeeping staff, the security staff. Without them, we wouldn't be having an environment like the one we have today. So please give them a big hand for them, and thank you very much for the amazing participation. Thank you. There's sweets and coffee over here, so enjoy yourself. Thank you.
You got prize.
Here,